Stop scrolling, welcome back. Today, we're deep dive into the world of UK coin collecting is on fire right now, and if you think the United Kingdom £1 coins are just ordinary change, you are seriously mistaken. Because today, we are exposing the most valuable top 3 United Kingdom £1 coins, the hidden treasures that people have been blindly spending for face value while collectors are paying insane money in the global market. And yes, there are shocking new updates, rumors of government restrictions in 2026, and rising panic in the collector market that is driving prices even higher. This is not just about coins anymore. This is about money, history, and missed opportunities worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Let's begin. Let's get started. First up, we are diving into one of the most talked about modern British coins among collectors worldwide, the United Kingdom £1 coin dated 1990 in fine circulated condition. This coin has gained attention not only because of its historical importance, but also due to rising collector interest, online market hype, and claims about rarity and high dollar value. Some even connected with banned coin rumors and sudden valuation spikes in 2026 markets. But what is the real story behind it? The 1991 £1 coin belongs to the first generation of the round pound series introduced in 1983 by the United Kingdom. This design remained in circulation until 2017, when it was replaced by the newer 12-sided bimetallic £1 coin due to counterfeiting concerns. The 1990 version features the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Makloff, showing the monarch wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. On the reverse side, the coin carries the iconic leek design representing Wales, created by Leslie Durbin. This design is part of the Floral Emblems series of the UK. Now, one of the most interesting and recognizable parts of this coin is its edge inscription. The inscription reads Pleidiol Wyfngwlad, a Welsh phrase taken from the national anthem, which translates to True am I to my country. This feature was introduced as an anti-counterfeiting measure and became one of the signature characteristics of the round pound series. Moving on to the front and back details of the coin. The obverse side shows Queen Elizabeth II's portrait with inscriptions including Elizabeth II and DG Reg FD, meaning by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse side, depending on design rotation years, features the Welsh leek symbol inside a crown shield arrangement, representing national identity within the United Kingdom. The coin's edge lettering wraps around the circumference and is not always aligned in a fixed direction, which often leads collectors to misunderstand it as a rare error. When we talk about the unique features of this coin, its most notable aspects include its nickel brass composition giving it a golden appearance, its precise weight of approximately 9.5 grams, and a diameter of about 22.5 millimeters. It was designed as a highly secure circulating coin, which is why it includes intricate edge lettering and complex portrait engraving. The coin's material is a nickel brass alloy, consisting mainly of copper, zinc, and nickel. This gives it durability for everyday circulation while maintaining a bright gold-like finish that made it visually distinct from other UK coins of its time. The 1991 £1 coin rare in reality, the 1990 mintage was extremely high, with tens of millions produced for circulation. This means that in normal circulated condition, it is not considered rare in the traditional numismatic sense. However, specific high-grade uncirculated examples or specially preserved specimens can attract premium interest from collectors. There are also internet rumors suggesting that certain edge inscriptions or orientations make some versions rare errors. However, in professional numismatics, edge lettering orientation is random and not considered an error, meaning it does not significantly increase value. In fine circulated condition, the coin shows light wear, smoothing on the high points of Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, and possible fading in details of the reverse design. In this condition, it remains a collectible but not a premium investment piece. Collector demand is mostly driven by nostalgia, UK coin sets, and thematic collections of the pre-2017 pound series. Now, the current market value in dollars. The realistic market value of a circulated 1990 UK £1 coin is generally close to its face value, often ranging around $165,000 depending on condition and buyer interest. Even in better collectible grades, it rarely reaches high auction prices unless it is in certified mint state or part of a special proof set. Online listings sometimes show extremely high prices, but these are usually speculative asking prices rather than confirmed sales. However, certain exceptional specimens, such as flawless uncirculated coins or rare graded examples, can fetch significantly higher values in niche collector markets, but these are the exception. Now for collectors, here are some important tips. Always examine the coin's condition under proper lighting and avoid cleaning it, as cleaning can reduce its numismatic value. Store coins in protective holders to prevent scratching and oxidation. Focus on certified grading if you believe a coin is in exceptional condition, because third-party grading can significantly impact resale value. And most importantly, be cautious of online hype regarding banned or ultra-rare claims, as most of these are not supported by official mint data. The 1990 United Kingdom £1 coin remains an important piece of modern British monetary history. While it is genuinely rare in circulated condition, it carries strong historical significance, iconic design elements, and continues to be a popular collectible among UK coin enthusiasts. Next up, the United Kingdom £1 coin dated 1992 is one of those overlooked pieces of everyday currency that quietly carries a deeper story than most people realize. At first glance, it may just seem like another old coin that has passed through thousands of hands, spent in shops, buses, and vending machines across Britain. But when we look closer, especially at circulated fine condition examples, we begin to understand why collectors across the world still pay attention to it. This coin is not just money, it is a snapshot of British monetary history, and in some rare cases, a surprisingly valuable collectible in today's global coin market. To understand the 1992 £1 coin, we must go back to its history and background. The pound coin series was introduced in 1983 as a replacement for the pound note, designed to last longer and reduce the cost of replacing worn-out paper money. By 1992, the design had already become familiar in daily life across the United Kingdom. The 1992 issue belongs to the early round pound era, featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a national symbol on the reverse. This specific year is part of the long-running circulation series minted in very large quantities, meaning most examples were heavily used in circulation rather than saved in pristine condition. The obverse shows the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II created by Raphael Makloff. This portrait was used from the mid-1980s through the 1990s and is often associated with the third portrait era of UK coinage. The inscriptions include Elizabeth II D.G.Reg.F.D, which translates to Queen Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, defender of the faith. On the reverse side, the £1,992 coin features the iconic English oak tree design within a crown-like structure, symbolizing strength and national heritage. The edge of the coin carries the Latin inscription Decus et Titamen, meaning an ornament and a safeguard, a traditional security feature used in British coinage. When we examine the unique features of this coin, we notice it is not made from precious metal but from a durable nickel-brass alloy. The coin weighs approximately 9.5 grams and measures around 22.5 millimeters in diameter. Its golden appearance often causes confusion among beginners who assume it contains gold, but its value is primarily numismatic rather than intrinsic. The milled edge and strong metallic composition were designed to resist wear, allowing it to circulate for many years without significant damage. The coin details are important for collectors because even small differences in condition can affect value. The 1992 £1 coin was produced in extremely high numbers, with mintage figures exceeding 36 million pieces. According to official numismatic data, this makes it far from rare in general circulation. However, rarity in coin collecting is not always about mintage alone, it is also about surviving condition, collector demand, and market interest over time. The coin is composed of nickel brass, a combination that gives it durability and resistance to corrosion. This is why many examples still exist today, although most show signs of heavy circulation such as scratches, fading, or edge wear. In circulated fine condition, the coin is expected to show moderate wear while still retaining all major design details clearly visible. Now, discussing rarity, the standard 1992 £1 coin is considered rare in general terms. Millions were produced and used in everyday transactions. However, what creates interest among collectors is high-grade preservation or unusual minting characteristics. While most circulated coins are common, better preserved examples or coins with unusual strike quality can attract premium attention. Still, compared to modern commemorative coins or error coins, the 1992 issue sits in the category of common but collectible. A circulated fine condition coin is one that has clearly been used in everyday transactions but remains intact without major damage. In this state, collectors do not usually assign high premiums unless the coin has special attributes. Most circulated £1,992 coins remain close to face value in normal markets. However, exceptional examples in higher grades can achieve modest collector premiums depending on demand. Collector demand for UK £1 coins remains steady because of their historical significance and the transition away from the original round pound design, which was later replaced in 2017 by the 12-sided bimetallic version. This change increased interest in older round pound coins, including the 1992 issue, as collectors began to preserve them as part of modern British numismatic history. Many collectors now actively search for pre-2017 pound coins to complete full date sets. When we talk about the current market value in dollars today, the 1992 UK £1 coin in circulated fine condition generally remains close to face value, which is roughly equivalent to around $115,000 depending on exchange rates. However, in collector markets or online sales, small premiums may appear, typically ranging from about $130,000 for better presented circulated examples. Uncirculated versions can sell higher, but the circulated fine condition examples remain largely affordable and accessible. It is also important to address the idea of banned coins or government restrictions. As of recent updates, UK pound coins are not banned. The old round pound coin was demonetized in 2017 and replaced by the newer design, but it is still collectible and often traded among collectors. There is no official 2026 ban affecting collectible 1992 coins. Instead, they simply exist as withdrawn currency still accepted in numismatic circles rather than everyday transactions. There are a few important tips. First, always check the condition carefully under good lighting, because scratches and edge damage significantly reduce desirability. Second, avoid cleaning the coin, since cleaning can actually lower its collector value by removing natural patina. Third, if building a collection, focus on completing date runs or collecting specific portrait eras, as this increases long-term value potential. Finally, always verify authenticity and avoid misleading listings that exaggerate value claims, especially online. The United Kingdom £1 coin dated 1992 is a fascinating example of modern British currency history. While it is not a rare coin in circulation terms, it carries historical importance as part of the original round pound series. In circulated fine condition, its value remains modest, but its appeal lies in its symbolism, its design heritage, and its place in the evolution of UK money. For collectors, it represents an affordable entry point into British numismatics. Next up, the United Kingdom £1 coin from 1997 is one of those coins that often goes unnoticed in everyday change, yet in the world of collectors, it carries a surprising level of interest. Recently, rumors and online discussions have suggested that UK authorities may have restricted or banned older pound coins from circulation in 2026, which has created confusion and excitement among collectors worldwide. Whether fully accurate or partially exaggerated, such claims have pushed attention back onto older pound coins like the 1997 issue, making people recheck their wallets and old coin jars for hidden value. The 1997 £1 coin belongs to the final phase of the first-generation round pound series introduced in 1983. This coin was issued during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II and represents a period when the UK currency system was still using the classic large single metal pound design before the introduction of the newer 12-sided bimetallic coin in 2017. The 1997 issue is particularly important because it sits near the end of this historic design era, making it a transitional coin in British numismatic history. On the obverse side of the coin, you will find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II designed by Raphael Makloff. This portrait was used on UK coinage from 1985 to 1997 and is known for its youthful and regal depiction of the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Around the portrait is the Latin inscription identifying the monarch and her title, a standard feature of British coinage. On the reverse side, the coin features the iconic three lions design representing England, created by Norman Silman. This heraldic design shows three lions passing Gardant, a powerful national symbol deeply rooted in English history. Around the edge of the coin, you can also find the famous inscription Decusiti Tetamen, meaning an ornament and a safeguard, which historically helped confirm the integrity of the coin's edge and prevent clipping fraud. In terms of physical characteristics, the 1997 £1 coin is made from nickel brass, giving it a golden appearance that often causes confusion with real gold among beginners. It weighs approximately 9.5 grams and has a diameter of 22.5 millimeters. The edge is milled and inscribed, which adds both security and aesthetic value. These specifications remain standard across the round pound series until its replacement. When it comes to mintage, the 1997 pound coin was produced in extremely large numbers, with over 57 million coins struck for circulation. This high mintage is one of the key reasons why most examples are considered rare in normal circulated condition. Coins in fine condition, especially those that have minimal wear, sharp details, and original luster, can be more desirable. Still, even in fine condition, the 1997 £1 coin is generally considered common rather than rare. Only exceptional examples, such as mint state coins or error varieties, can attract stronger collector interest. Collector demand for this coin is moderate but stable. Many collectors seek it as part of a complete UK pound coin series rather than as a standalone investment piece. Interest tends to increase when rumors circulate about withdrawal, demonetization, or government changes, as seen in recent discussions about older UK coin systems being phased out or restricted. Now, regarding market value, in normal circulated or fine condition, the 1997 £1 coin typically trades only slightly above face value. According to collector market data, its value usually ranges from about $270,000 depending on condition and demand. Even in better preserved uncirculated states, it rarely exceeds a small premium unless it has a minting error or special feature. Some online listings may show extremely high prices, sometimes $348,000, but these are usually speculative listings rather than confirmed sales. In established coin markets, only rare errors or proof versions would reach significantly higher values. The most important advice is to focus on authenticity and condition rather than hype. Always handle coins carefully by their edges, avoid cleaning them, and store them in protective holders to preserve surface quality. Cleaning a coin can significantly reduce its value, even if it looks visually better afterward. Another important tip is to learn how to identify genuine mint errors. Small variations in strike, lettering, or edge inscriptions can sometimes create rare collectible varieties, but these must be verified carefully, ideally with expert grading or reputable dealer confirmation. The United Kingdom £1 coin 1997 is a historically significant piece from the final years of the original round pound era. While it is not truly rare in standard condition, it remains an important collectible for those building complete British coin sets. Its value today in the open market remains modest, generally in the low single-digit dollar range, but its historical importance and design make it a respected piece among numismatists. Rather than a hidden fortune, it should be seen as a piece of modern British monetary history. The UK £1 coin series is not just money. It is a timeline of British history, economic change, and collector obsession. Some coins are worth nothing. Others are quietly becoming valuable assets sitting in people's pockets. The most valuable top 3 UK £1 coins are not just metal pieces. They are opportunities most people completely ignore until it is too late. And in this market, ignorance is expensive. Because every coin you spend without checking might be a missed fortune. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about this rare coin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos on rare and valuable coins from the United States and around the world. See you in the next video.